Hi and welcome to the next episode in my Citroen Relay van build series. In this episode I'm going to be fighting with the window coming up. So you may recall when I was doing my Solway panels, which seems like a very long time ago now, back in the late summer, early autumn, or even before that, I had a problem with this window at the front here. And that was because of the daft way the Solway panels are made. I got this this horrible gap in here that needs to be filled because the fly screen and blind for the window doesn't meet the actual window because the Solway panel doesn't recess in far enough. And then just to make it even more fun, the gap at the bottom here is wider than the gap at the top up there. So that's been puzzling me for a while in the whole what to do, and I think I've come up with a solution which I'm going to show you now. So out on the table here I have a package which has come from a company called, I'm sure you can see that, UK Leisure Parts. And I haven't even opened it yet, so you're seeing this, you know, as it happens, so to speak. So let me cut this bad boy open and let's have a look at the contents. Is it me, or did I just have a throwback to Russian doll syndrome? Anyway, let's keep going. Okay, so what I got here is four shaped corners, which are like that, and two lengths of plastic with the same profile. And the idea being is, let's just offer one on top of the other. That goes on there like so, and you get the gist here. That is going to create my corner and go round. I'm not sure whether that's going to go on the inside or the outside. Oh no, on the outside I think. Yeah, like that. That's the idea anyway. Whether that's going to work or not, I have no idea. But let me take the window surround off and have a little play and see how we get on. Oh, this incidentally is as you can see from the sticker here on this one, this is all from again Reimo, available through UK Leisure Parts. I'm not even going to tell you how much it is. It will scare the pants off you for what is basically a bit of plastic. If you're interested in it, I'll put a link in the description below and you can have a look for yourself. But anyway, let me have a go at it. Right, I think this is going to work out okay. I've taken the window blind off, which has revealed the edge of the Solway panel. And if I just try and come in closer here, you can see my screw hole there, which is the corner of the blind. And then running along the bottom here, we've got some fixing screws fixing the Solway panel to that. Now I know that when the window blind is on, the window blind comes down and covers that screw and you can't see the screw. So I know my blind roughly comes to just under that screw. So that's okay. So the idea of this stuff is, I think, or the way I'm going to use it anyway, is it's a shame it's a slightly different colour to the Solway, isn't it? But I don't think it's going to particularly notice when it's all put back together. So that is going to sit up in there like so. And I'm going to then, I'm not sure whether I'm going to pop a couple of diddly little screws through here or just basically glue it in, I don't know. But there's lots of play there. But if I push that tight up against that bit, then I know that my window blind, when I put that in, is going to just run through this this edge here. I will test that before I cut too much of it by just offering this in. But the idea being, I think, is I'm going to cut off of that in there like so, and then when the window blind is back in, that in here covers the wooden gap, and then the uprights will slide in behind it up here. Now at the bottom here, that's fine, there's plenty of meat on that, but at the top it is a little bit long, look, so I'm going to have to trim the back of that to get that to fit. But the same principle is going to apply. And then cut the side pieces, and again either just tack them with some tiddly little screws along here, or just Sikaflex it on. I'm not too sure yet, and that should, all being well, do the job. Right, let me carefully measure all that, and then I'll come back to you when I'm ready to actually fix these bits in. Right, so I just got the window blind offered in on this corner. It's not fixed at all yet, I'm just trying to hold it and film at the same time, but there's a corner piece in there, look, so you get the idea of what it's trying to achieve, get a sort of flavour for it, and you know, with a bit of jiggery pokery, I think that may well do the trick. Right, okay, so it's getting a little bit dark outside now. One of the troubles of doing stuff in the middle of winter, isn't it? You don't get an awful lot of daylight. But anyway, I think I'm just about ready to try and give this the old test fit. So what I've done is I've added some extra pieces of timber around. I found that actually that old furniture board was just about the right dimension. So I've got a piece there, a piece along the top, some bits along the bottom here, and my bottom piece then fits quite nicely like so, and side pieces, let's make sure I get the right one, that will slide up against that piece of furniture board there, which holds that in the correct position. Also I need to screw this in, but you know, you get a flavour for it, and that gives a nice nice join there. And then the corner will go on to fill that gap. And I think what I'll do is I'll fix these straight bits on first, and then put the corners on afterwards. I think that's going to be the best course of action. So I've got all my bits all cut and trimmed to the right shapes and sizes here. So I got smaller trimmed corners for the top, and you know, the original wider ones for the bottom, and all the rest of it. So without further ado, let me just try and screw some of this together before it gets too dark, and see whether that's actually done the job or not. Right, okay, I'm very much in the dark now. It's just about light outside, look, but not a lot. Actually, is that better without the light or with the light? No, with the light. Right, okay, I'm in. I just wanted to show you this just to finish this video off, rather than come back to it again tomorrow. So we've got the corners in there, look, like so, just tucked behind the black of the window blind trim. We've now got a bottom piece to it, and that corner there going up, and across the top again, that bit is now filled in, and corner piece there, and the same the other side. Wow, that looks better than that chunk of wood that was there, wasn't it? So it's been a little bit of a fight, but we got there, and actually that is doing the trick absolutely swimmingly. Oh, I suppose I'd better just show the operation of these, hadn't I, in case you haven't seen these window blinds before. So from the bottom coming up, you have a fly screen, which will clip in the middle there to hold it up, and then if you pull down from the top, you've got the pleated blind, which again catches it at the bottom. So that's all right, quite happy with that. They're horribly expensive, they are, for what they are, but you know, that's all things with camper vans, isn't it? So yeah, nothing else to say on that really, is there? So thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, blah de blah de blah de blah, and I'll see you next time round. Bye for now. Oh, and just one more final little bit to the end of this video, just to give you a clue as to what's coming up very soon when I get another break in the weather and it's dry underfoot. Another package has arrived. Let's just creep along here in the garden, and can anyone guess what that is? Well, if you recognise that, then you know what's coming. If you didn't, well, you just have to wait for the video. See you next time.